Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use ghost trails on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app and navigate to the Snap Map. You can pinch to zoom in or out to see your friends' locations. Ghost trails appear as a dotted line behind their Bitmoji, indicating their path. This visual cue provides a quick overview of their recent activity, making it easy to catch up on their adventures. To enable ghost trails, first open Snapchat and go to the Snap Map. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner and tap it to open your map settings. Here, you'll find the Ghost Mode option. Toggling this on will allow your friends to see your trails and you'll see theirs if they have it enabled. Remember, privacy is key, so only share your location with trusted friends. Once ghost trails are active, simply tap on a friend's Bitmoji on the Snap Map to see their recent path. The trail will show their movements over approximately the last 24 hours, giving you a fun glimpse into their day. If you want to manage who sees your location, head back to the map settings. You can choose specific friends or even go completely off the grid with Ghost Mode for a set period. Ghost trails offer a unique and engaging way to see what your friends are up to, adding an extra layer of fun to your Snapchat experience. Remember to always prioritize your privacy and only share your location with people you trust. It's a great feature for keeping up with your inner circle. Also, for a fresh car, check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.